Hey guys, it's Matt here with Myles and Sinking Spring. Today I want to talk about something pretty simple. I would really like to talk about what the difference is in your cooling system versus your AC system. A lot of people, the misconception is that your cooling system is what provides you with nice cool air inside your car. That's just not the case. There's a big difference. In your cooling system, which is designed to cool the engine, you have engine coolant. That is to remove the heat from the engine by flowing through the engine, through your radiator, which then gets cooled off, cooling down the whole engine. Coolant comes in a bottle like this. It is mixed 50-50 with water, and that's what cools down your engine. This here is the machine that we use to change out that coolant. So very different than refrigerant, which is the gas that is used in the system that cools you off inside the vehicle. The gas goes through a bunch of different lines, through a compressor that makes pressure, that pumps it through those lines, through an item underneath your dashboard that then delivers cool air, what you feel is cool air, by removing the heat from within the vehicle. So refrigerant is a gas that is used to cool you down inside the car. Coolant is a liquid that is used to cool off the engine so that the engine runs nice and cool and efficiently for you.